Hello everyone, this is Jermaine Gaines again coming to you with another video. And today I'll be showing you the first steps you need to do before starting your credit repair. Okay, the first thing you want to do is suppress your public information that companies get when it comes to applying for credit or whatever it is. So the first thing you want to do is go to LEXISNEXIS, this website, LEXISNEXIS information. It's like a credit freeze. You can say LEXISNEXIS freeze online. You know, you hit this LEXISNEXIS information suppression request. All right, once you go in here, then you tap on this red next button right here in the middle of the page. All right, and then it says LEXISNEXIS opt-out form, and then hit next. And then opt-out reason. You know what I'm saying? I do not want my information shared. Okay, check that. And then go to next. And then what you want to do here is you want to put in your first name, middle name, last name, social security number, and then hit next. As you can see, I don't really need to do this process because I've already done it before. But what I'm saying is whatever steps they tell you to do after this, just follow the steps. And then once complete, they're going to tell you that it's been submitted. And then you will get some information in the mail that's going to have that your information has been suppressed. And they're also going to send you a PIN. Do not lose this PIN. Put this PIN in a safe place and never lose this PIN because you're probably going to need it later on at a later date. All right. And the next website you need to go to is SAGESTREAM. SAGESTREAM freeze. All right. SAGESTREAM is another website you need to go to freeze your public information because this will help when it comes to removing old addresses, variations of your name, inquiries. So click on this website. All right. So submit your request securely online by completing our security freeze request form right here online. Make sure you click on that. Okay, you're going to fill out all this information. All right, and then you're going to check one of these boxes down here. You're going to check one of these three boxes. The first box, I'm providing a legible copy of my current driver license or other current document issue ID showing my current address and date of birth, or my driver license and other government issue ID. Currently, I'm submitting this copy of my category 2, which you can see the categories right here, what you can see and what documents you can see and to prove your identity. And then you attach these documents. And then once you do that, you go to the bottom and then you submit your request. Once you submit your request, then they will also send you a letter stating that your profile has been freezed. And then once you get this information, you also save that PIN. Never lose your PIN because you might one day want to take them off. But to me, I always leave mine on because I don't like my public information being shared with everyone anyway. That's why you're getting all these things in the mail and things of that nature. So SAGESTREAM and LEXISNEXIS, make sure you freeze those two first, and then you can start step 1 of repairing your credit. All right, this is Jermaine Gaines again. If you like this video, hit subscribe, hit the the bell notification so you can get every video I'll be posting here on YouTube. With that being said, God bless and have a great day.